Whoa! Oh, let me turn this off. Whoa, 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 whoa. All right, so, man, I love these headphones. Well, I'm trying to love them. I'm trying to. It's a long story. Check it out. First of all, here's the box. UPS basically disrespected the hell out of my box. Okay, you see all this right here? I like nice, pristine boxes when I open up my package. These are the Ghostek Canons, the world's first open back Bluetooth headphones. I was super excited because I've been wanting to get some open back headphones, but I'm a Bluetooth man, and my poor Galaxy Note 8 doesn't have the best DAC, so it's not like I'm gonna be getting like awesome audiophile quality out of the DAC in here, so I rely on Bluetooth. Problem is that apparently there's only one Bluetooth open back headphone on the market, and it's made by Ghostek. So I'm gonna tell you about the sound of these. Now, everybody who knows me knows that the Bluetooth Victories are my favorite headphones. Like, I don't use them all the time. I use them for editing all my videos, but as far as listening to music, I don't listen to them all the time because they're so gigantic. They are huge. But man, let me tell you, the sound that those things produce is ridiculous. And the day I actually posted that on social media, which was like 2 days ago, these came in the mail, put them on my head, and I was blown away. These actually, in my opinion, sound better than the Victories. And these were only like, I don't know, 89 bucks or 79 bucks or something like that. And the reason for that, I believe, is it just has a more natural, unprocessed sound. And it's definitely a broader sound stage. The bass is rich. I mean, the highs, I mean, we're talking about bright, crystal clear highs and mids. The bass is rich and low. These things actually get a low bass response, and it's just a natural sound that you get out of these. So as far as sound quality, and they only have 40 millimeter droppers. I mean, that's big, but you know, it's bigger out there. The problem I have with these headphones, because as far as sound goes, they get like a 12 out of 10 for me. The sound is remarkable. I'm talking, you get about $250, $300 worth of audiophile sound out of these things. However, you get about $40 worth of build quality. That's my problem with these headphones. I want to love them so bad. First of all, the headband, while it might look cool because it's thin and it kind of sits right on top of your head, there's no cushion here. So this bothers me, being a bald head fella. My head sits right there. And being that the headband is so big, I think they actually made it about an inch too long. Because on my head, now I got a peanut head, on my head, the ear cups kind of droop down just a little bit, and you can feel it drooping, like they just don't line up with your ears right, even at its tightest setting. So what I've had to do is like custom bend mine. I've put it on a bar stool and just started bending it to kind of shape the headband right to get it to sit on the top of my head and bring the headphones up just a little bit so it sits just right. So that's why I have this, you know, this more square shape right here versus the round shape that it comes with out of the box. And now they sit on my head right. They don't have a lot of clamping force, so it is a very loose fit on your head if you like that. I mean, I want it right in the middle. I don't want a whole bunch of clamping force like a vice grip, but I don't want them just laying on top of my face like that. I want to feel the headphones on my head, and these just don't have a lot of clamping force. But that's just the structure, I guess we'll call it, of the headphones. Now, as far as build materials, this is where Ghostek, you let me down, man. The only metal on these headphones is right here on this open back grill right here, and it's got this this Ghostek logo right here, which I don't mind. I prefer it be plain because, you know, I don't like a bunch of logos, but they do have the branding right here, which is nice. That is, you know, it's kind of, you know, low key. But right here they got the open back grill, and that's the only metal I can tell on these headphones. This bracket right here, plastic, and it makes like a crickety sound sometimes. And you can hear it. You can hear that just cheap plasticky feel. Like when you first put them on your head, it does not feel like quality you're putting on your head. Now I get it. You know, these are $70 headphones, $80 headphones. But man, when you got this kind of sound coming out of it, you can't have it all, right? You got almost $300 worth of sound, but a $40 build quality. This ring right here, it's plastic and it scratches very easily. These fold up like this, so if you actually fold them up all the way, they'll run into each other, and that will scratch up your plastic, want to be aluminum right there, that ring around there. So don't do that if you get them. This plastic right here, I'm okay with this. I mean, most headphones do have the plastic right here. Right out of the box, the headband on the underside and even the top and the cushions, it feels very rigid and just stiff. But, you know, after a little bit of time, a little bit of wearing, it does lighten up and it feels soft. These are actually pretty comfortable ear pads. They do tap the top of my ear. They are over-ear headphones. Look, I mean, cans are huge, but they're over-ear headphones. But because they're circular design, that padding is going to tap the top of your ear. So it's just not the most comfortable wearing experience, especially long term. But man, oh, one more thing, the buttons. So these buttons, you know, it looks like chrome. This is straight up plastic, and they're kind of jiggly and loose. Can you hear that? Yeah, I can't. I want to love these headphones so bad. I truly adore the sound out of these. I'm gonna just go ahead and say it. These sound better than the Bluetooth Victories. Okay, there, I said it. But as far as build quality, Ghostek, I'm really let down in the build quality of these headphones. I hope that there's a part 2 of these coming out. I want to say these may be a year old. I didn't see any reviews on them, maybe 2 or 3, but they weren't even in English. But God, if you could just take the same sound technology, same sound signature, I love it. Ugh, thumbs up, Ghostek. But put some metal and some more cushion on these things, man, for crying out loud. And maybe shorten up that headband, maybe a half inch, maybe a full inch, and a little bit more clamping force. And yeah, some metal, man, or just more like tough plastic. It's just so loose and rickety. I can't take it. But man, when you put these on your head, you are getting audiophile quality of sound here. I give, like I said, a 12 out of 10 for audio quality. I give them I would say a 4 out of 10 for build quality. For the price, God, I don't know if I can recommend these or not. You heard what I had to say about sound versus build quality. So at $70 to $80, is it worth getting these? Man, y'all make the decision. I don't know. The sound is there. Quality is not. You might have to put your hands on them yourself to understand what I'm talking about. But I don't know, man. I want to love these 100%, but I just can't. I can't. All right, well, that's been my review for these. I think this is very poor execution of build quality. I like the styling. I really do like the way it's styled. I just don't think the build quality, the build materials is equivalent to the sound you get out of these, not even by any stretch. Love the sound, hate the build, love the design. Anyways, that's my take on the Ghostek Canons. Man, if you want to listen to some good music at a real inexpensive price, go for it. But if you like good quality in your hands, I say leave these bad boys. You hear that? You don't hear that? I can't. Anyways, tap on that like button, smash on that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all at the next one.